Want to transform your videos and make your subjects stand out with cool new backgrounds? Let's dive into how to remove a background in Capcut PC. First, import the video clip you want to edit into Capcut. Just drag and drop it into the media bin or click the import button. Next, drag your video clip from the media bin down onto the timeline. This is where all the magic happens. Now, select your video clip on the timeline on the right side panel. You'll see a bunch of editing options. Scroll down until you find Cutout and click on it. You'll see a few options, but the easiest way to remove the background is by using Auto Cutout. Click on Auto Cutout, and Capcut will automatically detect the subject and remove the background. Give Capcut a moment to process. The duration depends on the length and complexity of your video. Once it's done, you'll see the background disappear, leaving a checkered pattern. This means the background is now transparent. Now, let's add a new background. Import a background image or video just like you imported your original clip. Then, drag it onto the timeline underneath your video clip with the removed background. Position the background clip so it lines up with your main video. Experiment with different backgrounds to find the perfect look for your video. Beaches, cityscapes, or even simple color gradients can add a professional touch. And there you have it. You've successfully removed the background and replaced it with something new. Now you can create dynamic and visually stunning videos with ease. Finally, click the export button and share your masterpiece with the world. Remember to like and subscribe for more awesome Capcut tutorials.